Introducing Wedelia spagnificola trilobata of the family Asteraceae. Wedelia is a herbaceous plant and an invasive species. It is listed in the IUCN's list of the world's 100 worst invasive species. It is spread by people as an ornamental or ground cover that is planted in gardens where it can escape to surrounding areas through the dumping of garden waste. It spreads vegetatively, not by seed. Although it is an invasive species, it has several uses. It was found out that the plant could inhibit the growth of different soil-borne pathogens. Additionally, Wedelia is a highly valued plant in traditional medicine, used to treat chest colds and bronchitis in South America, the Caribbean, Central America, and Nicaragua. Leaves were traditionally used in Nicaragua to treat snake bites, kidney problems, and purges. Additionally, flowers were used to help control symptoms of diabetes. The people of Suriname used to prepare a decoction of the plant's aerial parts to treat urinary tract infections, hepatitis, and white stool. It was widely used in folk medicine to treat sores, wounds, cuts, muscle cramps, and backache.